Hi everybody, this is Carol at True Self Unmasked. Today I'll be talking about the planet Mars going into retrograde from December 6th of this year, 2024, until May 2nd, 2025. So when Mars goes into retrograde, when we look at Mars, it actually looks like it's going backwards, but it's not. That's the illusion of going backwards. Mars is a planet that encourages us to take action. When it goes into retrograde, it's a time to go within, to pause, to rethink how we've been acting. So it's a time to pull back instead of acting without thinking. We're going to stop foot and mouth syndrome. We're going to stop being physical, and we're going to talk things out. So hopefully we will pull back and elevate ourselves in terms of our communications and how we respond, because Mars is the planet of war. Please note that Mars will be out of bounds. That means from December 30th to April 7th, it will be out of bounds, meaning operating outside of its usual orbit, its usual limits, from December 30th to April 7th. This will amplify its energy, making actions and reactions more extreme. So be mindful of heightened emotions during that time or impulsive behaviors. Also be aware that there will be 2 times that Mars will be opposing Pluto. That will be November 3rd and January 3rd. And when Mars opposes Pluto, it's an opportunity to experience heightened feelings of who am I going to give my power to? Am I going to own my own power, or am I going to give my power away to somebody else that is thinking for us, deciding for us, or are we going to start to take the reins of our own lives and make our own decisions, maybe using information taken from the outside, but not allowing the outside to control us, to begin to move from victimhood to self-sovereignty. So in conclusion, these are wonderful tips for harnessing Mars retrograde energy. Number 1, reflect. Take time to respond. Don't react. Use the retrograde to help you to pull back and relaunch new goals of how you want to show up in life, on your own terms or as a result of a reaction from what somebody else has said or done. This is a wonderful time to turn inward. As Mars is going retrograde, we can reflect and retrograde, go over how we have been taking action in our lives and make new decisions, good, bad, indifferent, and adjust. This is a great time to bring in meditation into our lives, whether it's a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes a day, so we can have better control over our emotions, that we process our emotions, learn who we are better, and we find clarity. And number 3, find that stillness. Take time to enjoy silence. Take time to disconnect from social media or technology and find the peace within. It can be one step beyond meditation and bringing stillness, quietude into our daily lives to tap into the power within us. So have a great time during this Mars retrograde and reflect and respond instead of react. Go within and find your inner power, inner guidance, and more clarity about who you are. Until next time, and if you are struggling with negative self-talk and a very loud inner critic, you might want to pick up my book in the description. It's called 100 You Are Not Going Crazy, 101 Ways to Silence Your Inner Critic. It's an ebook, and each page has a new suggestion so that you find what resonates with you. It tells you what the tool is, and it gives examples of how to use it. Thank you for listening, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm here every day. Carol at True Self Unmasked. Thank you.